Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to NIVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take computer class for class 4. Our today's topic is chapter 12, question answer 2 and 3. Today's lecture number 11 and homework number 7 will be given today. Okay dear students, let's look at the question answer we will be doing today. This is chapter 12. Previously we did question number 1 and in this class we will do question number 2 and 3. Question number 2 is, what is web browsing? Let's look at the answer. The process of searching for information over the internet is called web browsing. We need a computer connected to the internet and a program for web browsing like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Web browsing can be done in two ways. Number 1, going directly to a website, and number 2, using a search engine. So, to browse the web, we need a computer connected to the internet and an application program for web browsing like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox to browse the web. And the process of searching for information over the internet is called web browsing. And we can actually do web browsing in two ways. The two ways are, number 1, going directly to a website, and number 2 is using a search engine. If you know the URL to a website, you can directly go to it, and if you don't know it, you can use a search engine. Our next question is question number 3, what is search engine? So here we will discuss in detail about search engines. Answer: a search engine is a software that searches the internet for the information we need. So if you don't know the URL to a website, you can use the search engine to search for the information you need. Google, Bing and Yahoo search are some common search engines. We have to type in the information we are looking for on the search engine. So there is a search bar for typing what we are searching for. We have to type there what we are searching for, and then the search engine will show us related information. It will immediately give us a list of websites that have the information we need. So the search engine gives us a list of websites that contain the information that we are looking for. Let's read it again. A search engine is a software that searches the internet for the information we need. So, the search engine is like a web software. We can use it through a web browser. Google, Bing and Yahoo search are some common search engines. We have to type in the information we are looking for on the search engine. It will immediately give us a list of websites that have the information we need. Okay dear students, your next homework is Chapter 12, question answer 2. Question answer 2 is, what is web browsing? You have to do this question answer as your homework. Please learn both the questions carefully, study them at home and submit the homework at due time. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.